how are you all are doing today? Put a smile on your face and cheer up, because today I am going to tell you about pet animals and about their some interesting facts. So let's start. What do I mean by pet animals? Pet animals means those which we keep in our house as an entertainer or as a companion. They are not working animals. So let's introduce them one by one. Hello everyone, I'm a dog. There are many breeds of dog. We all are very popular. We love to chew bone. We love to go for walking also. But we hate bathing. Our house is called as kennel and our babies are called as puppies. Bye bye. Hi, I'm Rabbit. I'm very cute and adorable. My body is full of white fur. I have 2 long ears and 2 hopping legs. I love to live in groups. My house is called as burrow. Bye bye. Hello, I'm a cat. I have a flexible body. I love to drink milk and love to eat fish. I love chasing mouse also. I love to sleep a lot. My babies are called as kittens. Bye bye. Hi, I'm a parrot. I'm very colorful. I love to talk and sing. I have a crooked red beak. I love to eat insects, fruits and nuts. I live in trees. Bye bye. So kids, now we will do a poem on one pet animal. The name of the poem is Little Puppy. Little puppy, wag your tail. Little puppy, out for wail. Little puppy, catch the bone. Little puppy, turn to your home. Hope you all enjoyed. Bye. See you. Have a good day.